We've got a call here now from Elizabeth in D.C. Elizabeth, how you doing? What's your question for me?
Hey, I'm doing well. So I currently work for a corporate company that I just feel as if I'm no longer expanding my knowledge, and I want to create my own business where I can expand and I can use more so what I've got my degree in, which is in computer science and programming. The thing is, I have a good job where I'm actually get to work from home, and my husband's active duty military. I'm also part-time in the military myself, and we have 3 little kids, so we're moving around a lot. And I'm just trying to wonder, everyone keeps encouraging me to do this, especially my husband, but at the same time, how do you make the leap from having your hands full to starting your own company, your own business?
Yeah, Elizabeth, that's a great question. And even how you phrased it is how everyone asks me when they ask me this question. How do you make the leap? And I'll tell you what, Elizabeth, the best thing you can do is not make a leap. You take a step. So I would encourage you to start to explore your business idea and then dabble in it and then test it and then work on it maybe a few hours a week. And you gradually start this business idea on the side. Whenever you carve out some time around all of your many responsibilities, and Elizabeth, you have a lot of responsibilities going on right now, but you pick the amount of time you want to work on it, and you build this idea up on the side. And what's going to happen is over time, as this side business grows, eventually it will start to feel like you're working 2 full-time jobs because that business has grown so much. But what's so great is then when you quit your full-time job, it's a step, not a leap. It doesn't feel so terrifying, like I'm leaving this dependable source of income to do this side business or this business idea that's not proven. Instead, the business is able to support you. The money is there. The demand is there. The revenue is there. And then it's much more secure for you personally, but also for your family. And then that quitting your full-time job is not as scary. When you take steps, you fall less and it hurts less and you don't fall as far than when you take leaps. So I want you to start small and start on the side, Elizabeth, with your business idea, and build it up over time, and then gradually you'll be ready to take that step. I tell you what, Elizabeth, just to help you get started, I would love to send you my course, Business Idea Bootcamp. I was just talking about this. It is the 4-step course to show you what your best business idea is. And since you know the area you want your business idea to be in, computer science, that's going to help you narrow it down and think of all the ways you could use those skills and that experience to take an idea to market, where you're solving a problem for the marketplace. And then when you know what that best business idea is, you'll be that much more successful starting out. You will have more resources, more clarity, more direction, and you will know how to chase after that dream. Elizabeth, I hope that helps, and I certainly wish you the best of luck.